So this is the new fire escape kit from Mira Safety. Everything you'll get is this drop leg pouch for this. It's got a buckle and Velcro in there. You can pull this out. It does have a strap here that you can carry this by itself, not on your leg. And it's got a belt loop up here to hook to your belt, drop down, and then it does have two buckles to wrap around your leg that are fully adjustable. And it does come with the CM6M full face gas mask. It does come with two VK530 gas filters, which are really cool because they're sealed in pouches like this. Something really neat with this gas mask, like is with the other gas masks that I've checked out from Mira Safety, this actually has a 6-point harness back here. All are adjustable. It's got this cloth backing, so this can be really, really comfortable. Something else that comes with this is the really cool hydration system on here, like I featured on another gas mask from them. Hooks in right here. You've got a shut-off valve and a piece that pops on and off this clip. You can pop this cap off, and it actually comes with a canteen that you can actually pop the top off with that, leave this gas mask on here, and just insert this in there like so, and be able to actually drink from this. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you actually have a piece in there like that is in there, and you can just comfortably drink something out of the canteen without having to take the gas mask completely off. This is a really neat system and kit to have in your home in case of an emergency like fire, stuff like that. It's for what you get. It's really, you get what you pay for. It's a little expensive. I think you're looking at probably about $350 for the whole entire kit, but it's well worth it. You get a lot of real high quality stuff in this kit. So if you're interested in checking this out from Mira Safety, there's a link down in the description below that if you use that and purchase anything from their website, it does help out the channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you check that out. And there's also a discount code that's Josh Wiley 10 for 10% off anything off of their website that you can use, but be sure to use that link to help support the channel if you're interested in doing that. Also, check out watchjoshwiley.com. There's a couple of other companies that I do work for or with on the YouTube channel that if you use the links in the buttons beside each company, that actually helps out the channel a lot too, and a lot of them feature discount codes as well for y'all. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. If you haven't yet, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to consider getting subscribed to the channel. That's all I've got for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.